What's up guys? In this video, we will be talking about the existing and rapidly growing trend in the music industry, and that is the music NFT. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we start off by defining what a non-fungible token is, and if you would like to know a more in-depth explanation on what that is, we also created a video just for you. It is available in our channel, so go ahead and click that subscribe, that way you'll always be notified. What is a non-fungible token? Alright, so a non-fungible token, often referred to as NFT, I'm sure you have heard of that already, is a blockchain-based tokens that each represent a unique asset like a piece of art, a digital content, a media, those type of things. And an NFT can be thought of as an irrevocable digital certificate of ownership and authenticity for a given asset, whether it is a digital one or a physical one. Okay, so go ahead and check out the video for a more in-depth explanation on that one. This is the website where we will be focusing on in terms of like giving you all the information that you need to know about the music NFTs. It will also be available in the description of the video. That way you can go ahead and check them out during your available time. So first things first, what are music NFTs? Music is one of the integral parts of every person's life and is present everywhere. The cacophony of birds during the early morning hours or the gentle rustling of leaves as the breeze passes by a tree, everything is music. Now, they can also provide a unique representation of ownership of music clips and videos. Music NFTs are basically the work of music's artists represented in the form of NFTs. And it's about time, guys. I mean, during the dawn of like streaming and all those stuff, almost everything has been digitalized. So the CDs, those tapes and all those stuff, those are almost obsolete. And you know, those people that are just collecting, if you are that collector type of a person, then that's the only time that you purchase those CDs, those cassettes. Otherwise, you just go ahead and subscribe to, you know, streaming platforms so you can listen to the music that you like. So what is the definition of music NFTs? So growing hype around music NFTs can be attributed to the development of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. So they are digital assets, which I mentioned earlier. The search for an explanation about a music NFT platform would focus on the element of fungibility, which verifies unique ownership during assessment of NFTs. Now, based on the definition of NFTs, you can perceive music NFTs as certificate of ownership for identifying owners of a piece of musical work. Now, for those of you that are musical lovers, this is definitely a very good news for you because, you know, instead of just buying NFTs that are image, you know, digital media and all those stuff, now, hopefully, you know, the music NFT or the music industry will continue their push on getting those music and getting the NFTs integrated into the music. All right. So the first thing that you need in the discussion on music NFTs explained comprehensively would refer to the reasons for bringing them, right? Now, let us travel back in the past when music artists gained a lot of acclaim for their work. So even if you have iconic music artists today, the music industry faces more challenges today more than ever, even before. So for starters, the sales of physical records, just like I mentioned earlier, have plummeted radically, giving way to the rise of the online streaming platforms. You have a lot of different streaming platforms where you could listen those music from. Therefore, you know, leaving the cassettes, those CDs behind, right? However, online streaming services offer measly payments even to the artists with millions of fans. As a matter of fact, many artists have expressed dissent over the lack of opportunities to make money out of their work. Now, in such cases, music NFTs can offer feasible solutions for revising the traditional revenue and ownership models in the music industry. Now, many types of music NFTs examples have shown that NFTs could help artists in many ways by increasing fan involvement, you have alongside removing intermediaries such as the record labels. Okay, so talking about working on the music NFTs. So the next critical highlight in the discussion about the music NFTs would refer to the topic on how do music NFTs work, correct? Now, as it can show what goes behind the unique NFTs, you would find many similarities between the existing models for sales and production in the music industry, the principles underlying the music NFTs. And the next step, artists have to pick a blockchain network on which they would like to develop those NFTs. Now, subsequently, artists must also choose a music NFT marketplace for launching their NFTs, or where they could sell those NFTs. Now, after the identification of the desired NFT marketplace or the platform, artists can notify their fans about the NFT drops. Okay, so at this stage, the artists can list their music NFTs for auction according to their desired price. Now, the biggest advantage with the working of music NFTs is the fact that they cannot be duplicated, right? Because again, NFTs are unique. Now, music artists or producers can opt for distinct modes of distributing NFTs among their fans. One of the common examples of music NFT distributions refers to as one-off sale, where the highest bidder can purchase the audio file. Now, if we can see images, like simple images, like pixelized images selling for multi-million dollars, then I don't see any reason why music NFTs wouldn't sell just like that. So it's like a good investment, just like the images, the image NFTs, or whatever digital asset NFTs you have right now. Okay, those are basically the things that I would like to share to you in terms of like the music NFTs. We will definitely be creating more and more contents as it goes live. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you will always be notified when we create new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.